I know what everybody's thinking when they click on this video. They're like, it's April 1st. I know he's trolling. Listen, I know it's April 1st, but I'm not uploading this as a troll. This is actually a real legitimate video. I made $500,000 from this trade. I'm going to talk about how I got into the trade, the research I did to get into the trade, and hopefully maybe you could do something like this in the future. Secondly, I want to say, what a great day to be in crypto, man. I just loaded up the coin market cap, which we're going to go over. Literally everything's green. Everything is green. If you hold any crypto today, I don't care what it is. I don't care if you have Bitcoin. Even if you have XRP, my least favorite crypto. It's a good day to be in crypto. Smash a like if you're having a good day today. All right, listen, I made $500,000 off a trade, literally life-changing money, and I'm gonna explain why I'm not cashing it out. I'm holding the money. I decided to hold it. We're gonna talk about how I researched the coin, how I did it all. If you guys listen, I upload videos every single day. Starting now, well, starting yesterday, technically. I upload videos every single day. You don't want to miss them. Some of these videos can make you a lot of money very quickly. Make sure you have smashed a like on this video, you're subscribed, and turn notifications on, dude. I'm telling you, if I upload a video like, hey, this coin's about to pump, you need to see that video ASAP so you can get it on that coin and make some money. Before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know I am still going to be adding everybody who signs up to Binance. Listen, Binance is the best. It's literally the #1 market. I'm not trying to sell you guys. I don't even really make that. I think I've made like $500 in commissions off of you guys on Binance. I don't even make that much money. Sign up for Binance if you're new to crypto, or if you haven't. It is the #1 place to trade, period. If you guys sign up, link down below. It's free. You will get access to the trades that I do every day. If there's a new coin that I'm going in on, you're going to have access to that. A lot of people can attest that have been early to that group, that the coins that I talk about in today's video, the coin that I talk about right now that made me $500,000, I was talking about in January when I bought in, that made me $500,000. And they can attest. They'll literally comment on this video saying that I was telling people about this coin. Trust me, sign up for Binance, link down below, it's free. Secondly, there's a crypto Discord, absolutely for free. You guys can join down below if you guys want to get more info or talk to me directly or whatever the case may be. And last but not least, BlockFi. If you guys are holding Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Link, sign up for BlockFi. $250 of free Bitcoin down below. When you deposit your coins over there, it's legit, it's backed, it's such a good program. I have a lot of money in BlockFi. You get paid every day in interest on that coin and compound interest. It's the most powerful investment tool that you have in your life to start right now, because in the future when Bitcoin's like $1 million, you're gonna love yourself. Trust me, sign up, the link is down below. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video. I want to look at the market cap because a lot of you guys, I mean, like I said, it's a good day, man. Looking at this, I mean, we got Cardano only 0.33 and Bitcoin 0.57, but Bitcoin's holding 59K, man. Cardano's holding like $1.20. You can't be disappointed. One thing I am very disappointed about, as you guys will know, and I will point out every single day, Binance Coin BNB is $330. I sold 500 of these for $125 about a month ago, and that is well, if you do the math, that's a loss of about $100,000. But it's okay, because this video I'm talking about how I made $500,000, so who cares about 100,000, right? Wrong. That sucks. But Ethereum is pushing 2K, man. I think Ethereum's gonna hit this 2K mark, and once it actually gets over the 2K hump, man, and holds that, a lot of people are saying $3,000 Ethereum this month. You guys know yesterday I made a video on Ethereum. A lot of reasons to be very, very bullish with Ethereum right now. Ethereum, I think, could be the hottest coin of the summer with the big updates, the EIP 1599 and things of that nature. I really, really do expect Ethereum to pump as you go down. You guys know the other two coins that I am very heavy holding on is Litecoin and Chainlink. We got number 9 and number 10. I'm really looking for these to flip Uniswap. I don't know why. I just feel like they're gonna flip Uni and you know, get out of that. Filecoin has been battling Chainlink for this top 10 spot, but Chainlink is finally starting to pump. But as you see, File, dude, literally up 115%. If you're in File, congrats. But after, you guys know, after a week like that, man, it's gonna go back down. It's gonna consolidate a little bit, and then also THIS been doing good as well. Chainlink is now holding over $30, which like I said, I got in at 28. Not only did I get in 28, but also I have mine in BlockFi, so I'm getting paid more. I think last month I earned around 2 Chainlink, but I only had it in for half a month. So pretty solid stuff. Litecoin holding over 200. If you guys remember, I told you guys to get into Litecoin at 127 bucks, and if you did, you're thanking me. I've actually had tweets recently of people thanking me, so congrats if you got in on the Litecoin, up 15% this week. So a lot of people are asking, the cryptocurrency that I made $500,000 off of in the last 2 months, well, almost 3 months now, is called VTHO. Now, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with VetChain Vet. I really like Vet. I've been talking about Vet for a very long time. And when I first started my trading group, I was telling everybody to buy VTHO. Now, 2 reasons why I was telling people to buy VTHO. Number 1, VTHO was by far the cheapest coin on Binance. Binance is the best exchange in the world. Every coin that they put on Binance has real opportunity, like to grow a lot. I seen a coin priced at $0.0008. So for those of you guys that can math, that's like less than 1/10 of a penny each. So I seen this and I put in a lot of money. I bought 24 million. Now, if you pull out a calculator real quick, just to calculate this for you guys, and I'll show you the screenshot, bam. Okay. So I bought, 24 million of these, as you see in the screenshot, for 0.0008 equals $19,200. So I bought $19,200 of VTHO, which recently, if you guys seen the price, we'll actually look it up on CoinMarketCap. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this, I'm not actually cashing out. We'll talk about why here soon. So as you see, VTHO peaked at a little bit over 2 cents, 205.67. Will it go to it? 205.67. Now we're back down to 1.4 cents, which is okay. That's fine. Like I said, you have a huge pump, it's gonna happen. Now, as I said, I am not selling. The reason I'm not selling is because if you guys know anything about capital gains tax, if you do what's called a short-term capital gains, which means that you hold it for less than 1 year, on gaining $500,000 of profit, you pay 42% of tax. So if I were to cash this money out right now, let's just go ahead and go back to here. So say 520K, times, I guess it'd be like 0.42 is how you would math that. So I would pay the government $218,400 in taxes. I don't want to do that. I don't know about you, but I definitely don't want to pay the government $218,400 in taxes. That just doesn't sound fun to me. So if I hold this for another year, assuming that it holds value, which honestly, I'm going to be honest, it's not going to be that same price. It might be significantly higher. It might be significantly lower. I'm not sure. But if you do hold it for a year, on gains of that amount of money, you would be looking at 18% taxes. So I would pay 93,000. Now, I don't know about you, but 93,000 sounds way better than 218,000. But this bull market is just like kind of in the middle. We still have multiple months of this bull market. So what if this goes to like 10 cents each? You're talking about like $2.4 million. And honestly, does 10 cents each sound like super dramatic to me? It really, really does not. I don't think a lot of people realize how bull markets work. But the end of the bull market, like the last month, is the most parabolic time. Bitcoin normally does a 4 to 5x in a singular month towards the end. If you take a 4 to 5x from Bitcoin right now, we're looking at like a $300,000 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's also rising before this happens. We might be pushing a $500,000 Bitcoin in the later months of this year. Obviously, as Bitcoin goes up, you guys know how the market goes. Bitcoin's up, so is everything else. So that's pretty sick. Now, the second reason that I did invest into this coin is because it's part of VetChain. Basically, this is the gas for Vet. So if you guys know like Ethereum, the gas is called Ether. For VetChain or VChain, the gas is VTHO. Actually, if you hold Vet on like Binance, you actually get paid monthly in VTHO, the gas, which is a pretty cool system. So I basically seen this huge network. I looked up VChain, and I was actually investing into VChain, and I'd seen like all the big partnerships that VChain had, and then I realized VTHO was a part of VChain, and you could get it for literally at less than a tenth of a penny, and I was like, I'm gonna buy that. So them are the two reasons that I bought this coin. Obviously, huge upgrade on it now. I kind of do wish I could cash it out. at least part of it, because one, I want to put it into other investments. I need to pay off my house. I want to finish paying off my house, so the investment that I have in my house can obviously be more profitable. But it's looking like I'm gonna have to hold on a little bit longer. I'm hoping that I think I have to wait till January 8th or January 9th to cash that out. I'm hoping that there's a way, or that still holds value, or maybe even has more value. On top of that, I've been looking into ways. I know there's ways with real estate to like move. I'm really into investments, but I'm new to it, right? Like, I've learned a lot. I know I'm a smart person. I know that I've done very well with my investments, but there's a way to move like money from investment property 1 to investment property 2 and not pay taxes if you do it within like 60 days, 90 days. So I don't know if there's a way to do that with cryptocurrency. If there is, let me know, but I'm going to be looking into that. I read something that kind of sounded like that, but I don't know. It's confusing, man. A lot of investment stuff is very confusing, and I have so much stuff going on in my head that like sometimes it's hard to process. But yeah, I invested in 24 million VTHO. I hold 24 million VTHO. It is officially my biggest holding. I mean, I hold, if you guys want to know, I mean, I might do a video on like my whole overall portfolio. I don't know if you guys would want that. I have around 1 Bitcoin. I think I got like 14 Ethereum, like 1,000 Link, a couple hundred Litecoin. I do have some RSR and obviously the VTHO. I hold a little VET and well, other small holdings, like I said earlier in the video, Binance. When you guys sign up, basically, I get a small portion of the fee that you already pay when you do a trade, and that actually pays me in the coin that you're trading. My plan with that is I'm going to hold all of it, like long-term, all of it. So I have, you know, $20 to $100 in basically every cryptocurrency that you guys are trading on Binance, and I'm just holding them long term, like 20 years, and hopefully, you know, them $20 to $100 holdings grow into a couple $100,000 holdings. I really think that's realistic because crypto is insane. But yeah, that's it for this video, man. My biggest, most profitable trade of all time, and I'm hoping to top it. And honestly, I'm hoping that it tops itself, because I really do see this going to 5 cents, 10 cents, something like that. Obviously, I have a lot of other money in other coins that I was just expressing that are also doing pretty good. So overall, man, I love cryptocurrency. I hope you do too. I hope it's treating you well. Like I said, man, tap in, get in the Discord, join, sign up on all the links I gave you. It's where you want to be, I promise. Thank you all so much for watching the video, man. I'm out of here. Peace.